Today we're going beyond the rule and diving into the visual meaning of dividing fractions. You've probably heard just flip and multiply, but do you know why that works? Let's explore it together. What does division of fractions mean? When we divide fractions, we're asking, how many groups of one fraction fit into another? Example, what is 1 divided by 1/4? We're asking, how many 1/4 are in one whole? The answer is 4. So 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. We're counting how many times 1/4 fits into 1. Visualizing with bar models. Let's draw a bar to represent one whole, divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 inch. Now count. How many 1/4 fit into the whole bar? Answer, 4 parts. 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. This model shows that dividing by a fraction means finding how many of that fraction fit into the whole. Fraction divided by fraction. Example, what is 1/2 divided by 1/4? Let's draw a bar for one whole. Shade half of it. Now ask, how many 1/4 fit into that shaded half? The answer is 2. So 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals 2. We're asking how many 1/4 are in 1/2. This is why we say division of fractions equals multiplying by the reciprocal. 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals 1/2 times 4 over 1 equals 4 over 2. And 4 divided 2 is equal to 2. Mixed numbers and improper fractions. Example, what is 1/2 divided by 1/3? Step 1. Convert 1/2 to improper fraction, which is 3/2. Step 2. Multiply by reciprocal. 3/2 times 3 ones equals 9/2. Convert to mixed numbers. You get 4.5. Let's try a few together. Say the answer before I do. What is 1 divided by 1/5? Answer, 5. What is 2/3 divided by 1/6? Two-thirds times 6 over 1 equals 12/3 is equal to 4. What is 3/4 divided by 1/2? 3/4 times 2 equals 6/4 is equal to 1.5. Awesome work! Now let's review. Division of fractions means how many groups fit. Use bar models to visualize the process. Flip the second fraction and multiply, but know why it works. Apply it to real-life problems like serving sizes, measurements, and sharing. Thanks for watching, Math Champs. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and comment below with a fraction division problem you want me to solve next. I'm Steve, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on visual meaning of dividing fractions. Good job! I hope you found this lesson helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.